What will happen when I run this? This is the most fundamental part of a neural network. It has the forward pass and the back propagation. It's just a single perceptron. So this is importing NumPy. It's assigning 3 to X, 5 to W, 7 to the Y true. P down here is representing predict. This is the number of epochs, which is 5. It's like the forward and back passes and updates of the neural net type thing. And this is the Y predict, which is in here, it's just W times X. And this is the loss function, which is Y predict minus the Y true quantity squared. This is derivative of loss with respect to the Y prediction, and so on. So these are the local derivatives, and you multiply them together to create the global derivative, or the gradient. So this gradient is multiplying by the learning rate, which is 0.04, and it'll print out the answer. So if I run it, it should start at a number and then start going down afterwards. And 3, 2, 1, go. So it came out at 64. Then the loss, which is the incorrectness, got less. So in other words, is less incorrect. So it went from 64 to 5. Then it got even less incorrect to about 0.4, then 0.31, and then 0.002. And it learned. Thanks for watching. Please click like and subscribe.